Welcome back, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Friday, November 29th, otherwise known as Black Friday, and the deals at Harbor Freight are hot. That's if you like icon tools. I'm just a guy that works on my own stuff, so to me they're good enough. I have multiple toolboxes and I want to kind of set them all up with tools, and this is a way to get good tools at a great price. Their sale runs through Monday, December 2nd. The icon socket sets are 40% off. I'm going to tell you what I bought and how much I paid for them. Okay, starting off with a 1/2-inch drive metric swivel impact socket set. This is a 13-piece set, no skips, from 12 to 24. I paid $84 for this set. I've never owned icon sockets before. They seem like they're pretty good quality. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not comparing them to Snap-on. But this same set in Snap-on off the truck lists for over $1,000. If you buy it used on eBay, this set sells for $600 to $700. So I bought this set for $84. I'm not a professional mechanic. I just work on my own stuff. And for that price, there's no way I could pass it up. I actually paid well less than $600 for everything I bought today. So I could either have that one set of Snap-on swivels for the same price that are used. Otherwise, I could have all of these new sockets that, I think are going to last me the rest of my life. And as of right now, I have 4 different Harbor Freight stores within 30 minutes of my house. The next set I picked up is a 1/2-inch drive swivel impacts SAE. No skips from 7/16 to 1 1/4. This set was also $84. These are both sets I didn't have, and I wasn't willing to pay used or new prices for sets like Snap-on or Mac or Matco. I'm not going to use them very often. I have $170 in 2 sets, and that won't even buy you half a set in those other brands. Next up, the one thing I was lacking was 6-point 1/2-inch drive sockets, deep and shallow. So I picked up the deep and the shallow metric. They're both 12 to 24, so it's 26 pieces total. The shallow are currently 30, and the deep are 35. So obviously that comes out to $65 for the set. Right now on Amazon, the gear wrench set is $115. Same goes for the 1/2-inch deep and shallow SAE sockets. I didn't have a good set of either one of these. A lot of the ones I have are older Craftsman. Most of them are 12-point. These are both matching 13-piece sets, 3/8 to 1 1/8, 1/2-inch drive SAE. And again, I paid $30 for the shallow and $35 for the deep. So basically, I have all 4 sets for $145 once you add on tax. If you shop online and you're looking at brands like Craftsman, Tecton, Gear Wrench, you'll pay $200 to $250 for their sets. Next, I picked up this 8-piece of 3/8 drive, 3mm to 10mm long ball hex sockets. This is, again, a tool that I didn't really have. So this set was $24. So obviously that comes out to $3 a socket. The next deal I thought that was too good to pass up were the 3/8 drive semi-deep. Got the metric and the standard set. The metric goes from 8 to 19, and the standard goes from 1/4 to 7/8. So that's 24 sockets. These sets were $24 a piece. As I said before, I've never used icon sockets. I can't vouch for the quality. They seem well made. They're made in Taiwan, just like Gear Wrench or Craftsman, or I think Tecton is made over in Taiwan. So they seem like they're decent quality. I think the cheapest set you can find of semi-deep is a Gear Wrench set. I think they sell for like $35. I haven't checked them recently, but if you need semi-deeps, it's really hard to pass up $25 for a set. And the last thing I bought was the 1/4-inch drive modular general service set. This is the 48-piece set. It's a deep and shallow, standard and metric, 1/4-inch drive. It comes with a ratchet, extension, swivel. All of it comes in a plastic molded case and foam inserts that you can pull out and put them in your toolbox just like that. But this set was $60. I just can't see how you can beat that. The Tecton set, I think, is like $75, and that's about the cheapest set you can find for a lifetime warranty full 1/4-inch drive set. So I have no affiliation with Harbor Freight or Icon. Like I said, I've never even used their sockets before, but I thought these deals were too good to pass up. Like I said, this one set alone, used, On eBay, if it was Snap-on, it's $600. I paid $440 for everything out the door, and I'm happy with it. A lot of these won't see much wear and tear, so they should last a long time. Obviously, Harbor Freight has a lifetime warranty. Who knows how long they'll make icon sockets? Maybe they'll have in another 10, 20, 30 years. Maybe they won't, but I'm sure they'll replace it with something else. All I got to say is that if this is something that you're looking at getting, I wouldn't wait. I would go today if possible, and good luck. That's going to be all for this one. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.